Hello. In this video, I'm going to review for you Spin Rewriter version 11, and there are some pretty significant update improvements and some new features. Even then, it will even allow you to create better articles by allowing you to visually see the content as it was created in your articles, including adding images or even videos into your articles. So what I'm going to do in this video is I want to walk you through my account. I've actually had this account since 2013. I've created thousands and thousands of articles using Spin Rewriter as content for my websites, my videos, mass page sites, mass page videos, pretty much anything you can think of. I use this for and it ranks then, and it still ranks today. So I'm going to give you a little demonstration of Spin Rewriter, how well it works, and then I'm going to go over some of the other features that go along with it that you might be interested in, right? So, inside my account here, you have a few options here. You can rewrite a single article. You can rewrite multiple articles. If you purchase the Gold Membership Access, you can access it here, as well as the WordPress plugin integration, which is absolutely amazing. I want to give more details about that. In 1 minute you can view your entire archive of articles that you have written in the past. You can join their affiliate program and promote the Spin Rewriter. A selection of tutorials, a tutorial section here with a lot of new videos, I believe, is about 10 new videos added here, which are very easy to understand, just to help you get the most out of Spin Rewriter, and you can contact support here. So, first of all, this is a product that's been around for a while and it's constantly being updated with new features added pretty much every year, and the artificial intelligence is just amazing and it's getting better and better every year. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go here and go rewrite. And I already have an article that I got from our content, and I'm just going to copy this now. I'll actually go to Google or Bing or Yahoo, and I'll just start copying paragraph excerpts from different websites on a topic, paste it here and run it, and that works great too. So you can see it here. I've added this content. We can go into the settings. I can adjust any of these, which gives you all kinds of options depending on how much you want to spend your content now. Obviously, the more you rotate it, the less readable it's going to be, so sometimes I don't even use any of these options, but you can, if they're here, by clicking on more information. It gives you details and explains exactly what each feature does. If you want to use them now, if we go to words and phrases, you can protect the words here. So for some words in your article, you don't want to change, then you can add them here. You can also automatically protect anything that's capitalized in your article. This is an article that I used here a while back for VPN. I don't need it, so I'm just going to delete it. And then if we go to the advanced settings, you're going to see here where you can enable one-click auto rewriter to automatically start the rewrite process, which makes it super quick and easy. Basically, you just paste in an article and click rewrite article when it starts rewriting it, and that's it. It allows for super fast technology. It just allows it to run faster, and you can also use a single or multi-level nested rotation. So it really spins up your article, making it much more unique but also less readable. So I'm going to leave these options as is, and before I jump in here and click rewrite, you see some links here. So this is integrated here with a service called Big Content Search that has tons and tons of PLR articles and even ebooks, and you can search them directly here and add the article if you have a subscription to them, or you can also correct the grammar here. So if there are any problems in your content, you can integrate it with this service called Perfect Time, and it will automatically go through and correct all of your grammar problems. So I have to leave it as it is, and I'm going to go ahead and click on rewrite the article. So what is it going to want to do? Is it preparing the best synonyms for your article? Sound. Reading your article is reading it and trying to understand the words. So, it's going to go through and replace all those words with the best possible synonyms. So when it spins the article, it will make it much more readable, and so you come here and see this uniqueness, billions of possible versions. Now we also have more options down here, but I just want to show you the full article here and how fast it did it. And so what I can do is I can click on any of these words, and I can go on to edit this article, if I want to. If I click on any of them, you can see the custom words, the first words. We can select all the words we can all apply, and then here you can also filter by meaning, where it actually tries to understand each word, so that you get the best words added to your article, what it can possibly be. And if you don't see your words, you can just click in this box and add it, and it will add it to your collection of words here now. You can also come here and you can hover over several words and, for example, as you like, you can see it, all highlighted in one word. So if you click on it, it gives you more options for that as well, and so if we scroll down here at the bottom, we can access the settings and what we can do here. We can make sure that this is how we want it. In case we want to rewrite it again and click Rewrite with one click, we can save it for later or we can finalize it, which is what I'm going to do, and that indicates that your article has been finalized and saved in your archives. You can now generate unique versions of your article below. So this is our full article here now. Before we go here and we create unique articles that I'll go ahead and click on it and show you, and here's an article that it creates to tell us that it is 94% unique from the original article. We can preview the article. If you are set up with Copyscape, you can check it out or you can publish directly to your WordPress site. If you opted for that option when you purchased, which is an amazing new feature, I'll talk about that in a minute. But if we scroll up here, one thing that I really like about this, and this will be available in the new version 11, so I don't have a chance to show you that yet. But what you can do is here. You can see the text of all the unique items generated and we can access the videos here and we can search YouTube for videos to add. So I can do something like affiliate marketing, get videos and we can come here and select multiple videos. We can add one per article and select the selected videos, and now if we scroll down in this article, you can see where it adds this code here for this video. Well, in the new version 11, which you're going to get, you're not going to see this code, you're going to see the actual video. It has a visual editor. So you can see this video in the article and the same thing works with images, so you can insert relevant images. We can do affiliate marketing and we can just pick some images here. Add them and if we scroll down, you can see now we have a code here for images, but again, in the new version 11, you're going to see the actual image here. It has a lot of new features that make it really powerful and much better to use, especially if you really want to customize your items. But if you don't, that is, you don't have to do much for yourself, you can just come here. Click Continue to generate a unique article and that is, we'll create a unique article from this content. Whenever you do this now, you can also click Export and you can export the finished article in rotation text format. You can export each unique item into its own text file. You can export single items into a text file separated by a custom item separator, and you can also export up to 1000 items from this spun content. So if you need a bunch of articles put in here, how many you need to export is a zip file. That's going to create that many articles from the spun article that you created. Absolutely amazing. So what I want to do now is how easy it is to just create the articles, and you have the other options where you can rewrite multiple articles at once. But what I want to show you as well as the Gold membership, and specifically the WordPress plugin, I want to take it a step further. But if you go with the Gold membership, I think it's either 37 or 47, but what you can do here is you can get on-demand content through their own service, which gives you up to 50 articles a month, and basically what you do is add your own keywords. How many articles do you want? Click on the request, run articles, and they'll create them for you and add them here in your previous article. So you don't have to worry about finding the article that spins them or whatever, they'll do for you. Then you can also set up a limited access account for your assistant, so they can enter and access only the parts of it that you want. You can also shoot on the go with the iPhone and Android apps, which are really good. These have been updated in version 11. Also, you have priority servers for faster turnaround, and that works faster after the upgrade. I noticed there was a big difference, and then priority support, so you'll get your questions answered faster and they have really goods. Support. Okay. Now, what do I really want to talk about the WordPress plugin? It's amazing, especially if you want it to create and manage your entire blog on its own. So this is going to be 47, normally 97, and it's a WordPress plugin that you're going to upload to your WordPress site. You're going to install it. You're going to integrate it with your Spin Rewriter account, and what it's going to do is pretty much run your blogs automatically. If we scroll down here, the two biggest advantages of this are that you can install it on unlimited websites. Okay, it comes with 4 powerful features where you can automatically rotate and republish old posts. So, if you have old posts on your website, on your WordPress website, and maybe they are not ranked very well, and you want to update them, you can install this WordPress plugin. You can access your account and set it up to automatically repeat those old posts based on how old they are by 7 days, 3 weeks, 2 months, or whatever, It will also automatically retrieve new unique articles for you. You can see here how you can set it up to be automated. How often it creates new articles, how many days, whether you want to publish them right away or not, and what keywords do you want it to search for when it creates these articles. For you, you can also run the publishing directly in WordPress, and that's really powerful. So you can go into your WordPress account, go directly to one of your posts, scroll down and click spin this post in its. I'm going to take this current post and spin it and make it a new post, and then you can connect it to your websites. And when you connect it to your websites, what this is going to do is allow you, when you rewrite your posts, you can scroll down here, click publish to WordPress, and you're going to directly sync your WordPress account and publish this post to your WordPress site. And if you want, you can generate another single article and publish this one on your website, and you can choose the different websites that you have set up with Spin Rewriter. And another benefit of it, does it allow WordPress integration with remote publishing support? So I just read this to you. It says that the one-click remote publishing feature even allows you to schedule the exact date and time that you want your new post to appear on your website, and you can set it up and then publish it directly to your sites. So this is the WordPress plugin that goes with it. This is Aaron here, and I would like to show you that this has all the features that you would ever want from a Spin Rewriter tool. And from my own experience, it rewrites content better than almost any other Spin Rewriter out there. Of course, I know there are tools that are outrageously expensive. It can do a little bit better, but overall, if you're just looking for additional content to use for your websites, for your videos, whatever it is that you're doing for your projects, it's an amazing tool to do that. But if you pick it up during launch week, you can get it at the annual rate for $77 instead of $197, so a huge 60% discount that they're going to offer during launch week. I highly recommend anyone who needs some sort of spinner to use for their content. This is up. You are not going to regret it. This is a tool that I use almost every day in my business. I even use it on a lot of my main websites just to add content to give it more content. So maybe I do a review for a product, I'll do the review. If there's not a lot of content, I'll do it. Go find some content for it. On Google, I'll put it in the Spin Rewriter. I'll rewrite it and I'll do it. Please look and visit the link in the description to have a look at the official website of Spin Rewriter.